Okay, so I had to lose my 1 week old weaving because it was getting quite rough. Yeah, quite rough. I don't know what happened, but then this hair did not last for 2 weeks as planned. But it got so bad. Today made it 1 week, so I had to cut it off. I had to lose the weaving. And then I prefer wearing my natural hair in this case because when the hair is rough, it doesn't really give me the look I want. So I had to lose the weaving. Okay, the process is not quite difficult, so I had to just lose the hair by myself. The weaving is just thin, so it wasn't difficult for me to get it done by myself. So I just had to lose the hair because it was getting quite rough. Rough in such a way that I couldn't carry it. I even yesterday I tried to add a styling gel to my edges, but it was still looking very, very rough. Very rough. So this is after loosening the first weaving. I had to comb it because it's quite difficult for me when I lose everything at once. So I have to comb, I have to lose, comb, keep losing and combing the hair. I had to loosen and comb so it will be easy for me to detangle the hair. So it was that easy for me to detangle the rough edges, the rough tips. My detangling method most times is done with comb, either comb or I use my hand to just detangle the hair. So my fingers by each strand of the hair to detangle the hair, which is quite easy sometimes with comb, but it could be painful in a way if you try to comb everything the same time. So to do this, you have to part the hair into sections. So that's what I did. And then I got it done, and then my hair is all out. I'm ready to carry my hair for the next, I think it's going to be 1 week or 2 weeks. So it's just to comb my hair. And while my hair is ready, I packed it my regular style, high puff, and that's all the way, and I'm good to go. Yeah, so it's that easy. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe because I love you.